Hi guys, good morning. Today is my day off and I'm done cleaning inside the house. So what we're gonna do now is to clean the hallway. I will just shovel the snow here since hubby is at work. And after that we will gonna go to the apartment that we bought. I'm here now at the apartment that we're living now. So we're gonna clean this part here. It's a lot of snow. And there, other side. That part there. So I'm not so sure where I'm gonna put you guys. Maybe here. I'm gonna put you here or there. Maybe we will see what's the good site to put. Oh, it's so sunny today guys, but it's really cold. Yeah, I will just show you around how our view every morning or every day looks like. We've been living here for 3 years already and we're moving out soon, so I'm gonna show you guys since it's good weather and we're not yet moving out. So that's our entrance there, and that is our view. It's very nice guys. It's really like winter wonderland here. And this is our balcony. So that's our entrance there. I have a Norwegian flag there. So that's the grill. And there is our view. It's really nice here guys, and I'm gonna miss this place soon. And we have a big window there. That's the our view in the kitchen, and it's really relaxing here guys. It's really relaxing, but we don't have time to sit in the balcony because we're always busy and we don't have time to make tambay here. And every time it's summer I'm working, and it's also cold here guys during summer because it winds a lot, it blows a lot, and the blows of the wind it feels really cold. So whenever you sit in the balcony you have to put your jackets on. But it's really nice here guys. Here during summer there's a lot of people passing here, or the boats here. They're gonna pass towards in the other island. So this one here is passageway, or like what is it, a road. It's like a road for the cars, or like passageway for the boat. So it's really fun here during summer, and it's so noisy. But yeah, so nice here. Our neighbor guys, they have also a boat, and during summer they're always swimming in that part there. And yeah, I'm gonna miss this place. dito na lang kayo ilagay sa taas, guys. Para makita nyo. Ito. That's how I just clean. It's not so special, but I need to clean it before it gets before it rains, and then it melts, and then it will, and if it's negative degrees, so it will frozen, so that will become very slippery. So as much as possible, make remove all the snow, and when it rains it will just melt, or else when it rains the thick snow will melt and then it froze again, so it will be very slippery. So this is how it looks like, guys.